So welcome back, guys. Now we're doing drawing number 13. And drawing 13 I'm going to treat just like drawings 1, 2 and 3. Do it as a block, then remove the part I don't want. And the second phase I'm going to use it like drawing number 12, where we remove the corners for the dovetail. So again, it's a combination of skills that we've already learnt, just putting multiples of them together. So here we go. File, new, metric, standard part, create, sketch, XY plane, rectangle, origin goes green, 30 tab 20, not 29, enter, click on the front, all the stuff is the same, finish the sketch, extrude, put in our value of 50. So there we have our block that is 50 by 30 by 20. Really important on these complex drawings to orientate it so it's the same as what your drawing is. Otherwise you might get confused by what parts you need to remove and inadvertently remove the part that you don't need. So here we go. And I'm going to remove a rectangle from this point here. So sketch on this face, project geometry on this face, got my yellow rectangle, that's good. Now I can start putting my details in. So rectangle, top corner, click and drag. If you can work out what the sizes are, then do so. If not, then we can just use the dimensions we're given. So here we go, dimension, and from my drawing I can see that that dimension is going to be 10, enter, and I can see the dimension from this surface to the base is going to be 10, enter, finish sketch, extrude, second option cut. We want to go all the way through, so we select all, select my profile, gives me a look at what I want to do. Yes, that's the first step. Okay, so now I've got a block that looks not too dissimilar to what we had in drawing number 2. I'm going to draw on this face here. So again, it's going to be a bit like drawing number 12. So I'm going to sketch, click on the face I want to draw on. Remember to project geometry for that face. Go up to your top corner, look at it at 3D, check that it's on the right face. Now it's really important that in this situation we're going to draw and remove the parts that we don't want, not the parts we want to keep. So to do that, I'm going to use the line tool. I'm going to start in the corner here, come down to the baseline. I'm going to join the lines up, so important that I make sure that I get my green dot. That means that it's starting where the other one finished, out to the corner, green dot again, green dot again. I still got my line back to my start. Okay, that's the first one done. I'm not going to finish yet. I'm going to draw my second one. Same process. Get my line tool, start in the corner, come down to the corner, green dot, click, deliberately going bigger than what I need so it changes, click, green dot, and finish off with the green dot. Okay, so now I'm going to add my dimensions. The end point and that dimension there has to be 10. Looking at my drawing, and the other one is the same. So it's going from that point back to that edge. Is 10. Enter. Finish sketch. Extrude. Second option, cut. All the way through. Ah. Okay, I'm going to draw the lines in 3D. So if that happens to you, just undo your line, start again. So I want to start in that corner, come out to that corner, coming back into the baseline there somewhere. And you can tell when you get on that baseline because it will go black. And pick that point up. Again, looking for your green dots. Got that one in. Start in my corner. Go to my corner. Come along the line this way. Notice I'm still at 90 degrees. Green dot, pick it up. It's important if you don't get those green dots to confirm you're starting where you finished. When you do this next phase or go to extrude it, it's not going to work. So I can still add my dimensions in. So I want to go from that point to there. I want to make it 10. Enter. And I want to go from that point there to there. Go 10. Enter. Finish sketch. Extrude. Cut. All the way through. It changes color. Good. Changes color. Good. So for some reason in the last one I did, it mustn't have joined up. So this time we know it's joined up. We go OK. And there we have our finished product. File. Save as. Drawing 12. OPT. Save. And I've already got one there, but I'm going to override it. So yep. There we go. We have our drawing saved. It's in the same orientation. I can check my profile and we're good to go. All right. Till next time. Cheers.